today with a first Florida swimmer, and I was stopped here by Angela. And here we're digging for treasure. Well, it's not real treasure, but they're in preparation for a deal. Ladies and gentlemen, we just finished our flight. It was aerial tour conducted by Angela Dockery. Folks, free tour aerial available during Rodeo. Ladies and gentlemen, be ready to greet a famous swimmer. This is Alex, who swims all over water in Florida.
Florida's toughest swimmer.
And this is a vortex spring. What I usually easy cross from one dock to that floating decoration flag. Are you ready to compete with me?
Yes.
Underwater, sir.
I'm not much of an underwater person, I'm more of a above water person, but I'll try.
What is your YouTube name?
Subsurface diving. Explores America.
There it is.
How you spell that?
It's S-U-B-S-U-R-F-A-C-E and then diving. D-I-V-I-N-G.
Thanks, sir. Alex got hot after a bicycle ride. Woo! This is Tony. He's always preaching from a higher point.
Everybody's taller than me, I gotta stand up here.
Technical difficulties, folks. GoPro 7.
Tracy, she is a camera instructor. Folks, before I finish a section of that video, I would like to explain you what is a black mask exercise. To be certified as a cave diver, you have to follow underwater line with completely closed eyes. So what they do, they cover a mask with something black and then go. Usually cave divers do that exercise in a cave, but in that case they did that in a main basin around air box. I didn't know about that, but when I figure out, and I figure out right away when cave diver grabbed my arm, I understood that we are in a real danger, especially Alex, because line could be loose, and Alex want to go into airbox with open eyes without any mask. Too many scubas around airbox again, delayed with our dive because they have to pass by. Are you listening? Yes. Okay, good. I'm recording.
Are you listening? Get
I have poor hearing. I'm with a hood.